your God will never fail you. The Father of our Lord Jesus will never fail you. The possessor of heaven and the earth will never fail you. He has promised us in his word, which is a guarantee, that he will never leave nor forsake you. It doesn't matter what phase of life you may find yourself. It doesn't matter what situation you may be going through currently. I want to let you know that he is determined that you will not be confounded and you will not be humiliated, because he has got your back.